Good morning. It's Thursday morning, and after all the excitement from yesterday, I think it's time to update these charts. And this is still the introductory level software, and there's so much information you still get from the simplest version of the Drummond tools. And this is the weekly chart. I'm going to say that I'm sticking with the weekly time focus. And you can see that we're 2 days away from the end of the week, and we're flirting with weekly congestion entrance to the upside. We'll see how that plays out after yesterday's reversal. I'm not so certain that we'll see that, but we still have quarterly PL dot and monthly PL dot down here, and I'm sorry, quarterly and yearly PL dot, and then the monthly PL dot seems to be pushing the market back down. So we're stuck in this trading range for the moment. And when I go back out to the monthly chart, the market yesterday got up into this area here, that monthly 5-1 and the monthly 6-1 down, and also the monthly PL dot. So this area held. We'll see if it continues to hold, but this is interesting. Let me move over to the daily chart, because there's something I realized the other night, or last night, was that I've never seen so many different levels of PL dots in one area, so close together. Yearly, quarterly, this is a weekly, the month or the daily's right here and the monthly's up here. So within about about 60, 70, 80 points, there are 5 layers of PL dots. And in the 20 years I've been using Drummond Geometry, I've never seen that before. One of the things I've learned from listening to Ted and listening to Charlie's work is that the lower time periods vibrate around the higher time periods. And we're talking about energy here, and we have some energy spots from these 5 different time periods, and the market is stuck in there right now. And if we went backwards in the daily chart, we'd see this has been going on for a couple of months. And the market, this is that monthly 5-1 and 6-1 down area right here, and you can see where that hit yesterday and reversed, and now we have a daily congestion bar entrance down, so we might see it cycle back up here to the envelope top, and then the envelope bottom down here is the other target. And it's a little early to tell. The market's bouncing higher right now, so we may see a little bit deeper retracement from the move down yesterday, but I still wouldn't, I would be looking for it to terminate here at this monthly PL dot and daily envelope top, and then the target would be down here at the daily envelope bottom. And looking at the overall picture, we have all this resistance support. Not quite sure what it is yet, because the market hasn't broken convincingly above one level or below, and we're still in a waiting game, and there's still a lot of trading opportunity between support and resistance. But you can see with the oscillations and the volatility in the market that there's something going on here that's driven by energy, and it could be a shifting from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. It's a little hard to tell at this point. In my mind, what I see my mind wanting to do is to start looking outside at this other sources of information to see if I can glean something from that. And when I start looking at the news, that starts to color my opinion. If I look at this clown show called the federal government right now, that can color my opinion. If I look at the well, it's hard to describe what the Fed is doing as either good or bad. I'm not sure if they know what they're doing either. So there's a lot of stuff on the outside and a lot of experts talking about what's going on and what's right, what's wrong, and what's going to happen. But I don't want to let those folks live rent free in my head, and claw back that space between my ears and get rid of that information and focus on what I want the chart to tell me. And right now it's still pretty simple Drummond methodology taking place here. We got into higher time period resistance right here. The market sold off. We're had a congestion entrance bar, so we expect congestion entrance down towards the daily envelope bottom. We might see more. It's hard to say, but that's something we're just gonna have to watch and play out and trade accordingly. But I guess the point I'm trying to make is it's real easy to get lost in the narratives that people are putting out, and want to claw that back and stick with what the Drummond Geometry is telling me. So that's it for this morning. If you have any questions, please post them and like and share and subscribe to our videos, and you'll get updates automatically. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.